Can you see or hear the birds behind me? Oh, see? Oh. And I just want to reflect. I'm trying to change the lighting, but I'm trying to reflect on how we all have this choice. I can be sitting here right now in my head thinking about my problems. Or I can stop and go, wait a minute. Right now, what do I see? Beautiful birds all around me. The trees, the sun is shining. I hear them. I can focus on the feeling that the sun is giving me as it warms me up. Being right here, right now, is perfect. We have to learn to get out of our head. It's easier said than done, but you can catch yourself. Just keep coming back to the moment. And if what you're seeing around you is irritating you, change it. Go outside. The best place that you can reconnect with your inner peace is nature. Even if there's 5 trees between 2 buildings, I was in a city, I would do that. Go find them. It helps. Just be here right now and take in what you see. What do you hear? What do you feel? What do you smell? It's so good. I love you so much. I love that I know everything you need and want is within you. And it is every bit of my passion to hope to awaken that in you with something I say somewhere along the way. Much love.